Hello, we're back. In episode 15, I said we'd be talking about the Invader port to PC and web in 2D and 3D using Blender and Armory3D with nodes. As I stated earlier, I'll be using Armory3D with its nodes for my 2D and 3D demos, but you can also use Armory with the Haxe Programming Language. This is Armory's homepage, and here is the manual for Armory. This is the information about programming Armory with Haxe, and this is Haxe's homepage. We may eventually port Invader to Haxe in the future. Let's take a look at Invader in Blender now, using the Armory nodes in both 2D and 3D projects. Here's the 2D project, set up very similar to projects you've seen before, and this is the typical set of nodes controlling some part of the program. This particular one is a turret fire node or set of nodes. And here's the 3D project. Again, you can see that there are 3D models in here in place of the sprites that are otherwise texture mapped onto a 2D plane, but using the same set of nodes. Now we'll run both of them in a window on the Windows desktop by pressing this play button that's provided by the Armory plugin. And there you have it. Now let's take a look at the 3D version. We can also create a standalone version that has a self-contained directory structure by pressing the Publish button. Then this could be passed around for others to play. Here's what that looks like. We can also compile these for the web by just changing a few settings and pressing play again. Let me show you. It's that easy. You can also compile for several other systems, shown here, again by changing a few settings and recompiling it. I have successfully compiled to Android in the past. We may visit this in the future, as I've had mixed results, but haven't tried it with the latest version of Blender and Armory3D yet. So that about wraps up episode 16 of my journey in game programming. Please like and subscribe and leave any comments or suggestions you may have that could make these a better experience. Next episode, I will be showing a port of Invader to multiple handhelds using Microsoft MakeCode Arcade, a visual block-based programming language that runs in a web page. We've touched briefly on this in a previous episode. Until then, bye. I'll talk to you next time.